All right, 2104 Baynard Boulevard here in Wilmington, Delaware. And windy day, so only got a little bit of drone footage, but beautiful house. Take this in. I mean, they do not build them like they used to, but look at the character, look at the charm. I mean, this one's incredible. So if you're really looking for a lot of space and outdoor space too, because there is a deck, I mean, this one has potential. So there you are with a quick shot of Wilmington. You are super close to the city for convenience. And the size of this house is amazing, but let's get you in. All right, take that in. 2104 Baynard here in Wilmington, Delaware. Listed by, there you go. And beautiful section of Delaware. Loving the construction. I'll spin you around just so you can get your bearings. But these homes are big and awesome. So let's get you in. So big front porch. Looks like the stonework was repointed. And then look at the size of this. Fantastic porch. Let's get inside. It's still chilly out. Oh wow. Woo! That is awesome. They don't build them like they used to. Holy cow. All right, let's take you around. So nice hardwood floors. Checking out the windows. Oh wow, look at this. Check out that crown molding. Look how detailed that is. Hopefully you can zoom in and see that, or I'll help you there. But take that in. Just oozes with character. Actually talking to past clients of mine last night about a Victorian in Ridley Park, Pennsylvania, and some of the character there in this style just, you know, comes through. All right, so let's see what's going on here. It looks like they probably took down a wall and opened this up, which is fine. Yeah, just get my bearings. So you walk in, you got a lot of elbow room, which is great. Big room here. I can almost see this being like a mini office area if you needed it to be. All right, and then you can see the vantage point of this one. Multiple ways up, by the way. Ceiling fan, let's go straight through. So here's the kitchen. Tile floor, little closet, and this is going to be a half bath. It is. All right, cool. Actually pretty big for a half bath. And, all right, just checking things out. We'll back you out. All right, so crown molding in here too, by the way. And take in this kitchen. So granite, definitely newer cabinets. Crown molding again all the way through. Wow, this is cool. And that is a serious lock. All right, so basically a mud room, but let me spin you around. You really need to see this vantage point of this kitchen. That's a lot of cabinet space, a lot of granite, and that is not your run-of-the-mill range. That's serious. All right, sink over there, there's the dishwasher. I'm really just piecing this together because this is a big house. Let me spin you around here. So this would be, you know, the pseudo mud room or mud area if you come in. And then the back, which, let's see it. Oh, there we are. So there's the deck. Looks like you each have 2 garage spaces, the way it's set up. Oh, wow. Big deck and some yard space. All right. And let me just shoot down there and show you. Big side yard too. All right. This is massive. Let's bring you back in. I'll get back to the mudroom. At least that's what I'm calling it. Let's lock it up. All right. Back into the kitchen. I believe that completes the first floor. That's a solid wooden door, by the way. There we are. Nice and locked. All right. So remember, powder room here. That is the only bathroom on this entry level. And let's take the main stairway up. Keep this shut. There we go. Up we go. We'll make a little quick look at that too. Love the detail. Hello, hello. Creaky old stairs. Thought I heard somebody. Actually, they're very solid. All right, so up we go. Wow, look at the elbow room here. Whew. Oh wow, check this out. I mean, it's a bedroom, don't get me wrong, but essentially set up for an office. And just a closet there, and a closet there. There's hardware. So bedroom 1, a bedroom 2. Spin you around. Fairly high ceilings. Make sure you see every angle here. And this is bedroom 3/4, since they're adjoining. Let's see this closet. Okay, good closet. Cool. And then you can go out on this balcony here, which it's cold, so I'm just going to show you. There you are. It's a nice private balcony. Nice. I'm telling you, this has a ton of character. It really does. And then we have the laundry room and the bathroom. Well, here's the bathroom for the primary one. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. Oh, wow, look at this space. Double sinks. Wow. Really big. And that was a jetted tub, by the way, just so you're aware. And then this is what I was saying. Here's the main hall bathroom and the laundry room. So here's the hall bath. Get some lights. Same tiles that look like they were in the other bathroom. Newer dual flush toilet. And the laundry room. Sorry to put you in the dark here, but we'll fix that. A little folding area. And laundry. This is great. Which means technically you don't have to go down the basement. And then up we go to the 3rd level. There we go. And really 4 and 5 bedroom, or if that one down there counts as 2, you'd almost have 6. Look at this. I'll go right for the closet. Walk-in closet. Holy cow. Those radiators. This room has a lot of character. We'll just go right across to show you the other one. There we are. Same thing here. A lot of closets with the roof line. Make sure you get all that in there. And I believe, if I'm not mistaken, that might be a chalkboard. So that would be cool. Here's the upstairs bathroom. So let me show you that. We'll back you up. All right. There we are. Back it up. We'll spin around and take that in. Fantastic. All right, down we go. And we're actually going to take the other steps, assuming I can find them. Or maybe they were, oh, we'll go down and then go back up. So down we go. Ah, those steps just come around. Here we go. So they adjoin. We'll go down here. Bring you up here. See this vantage point? Spin you around. And let's explore the basement. So, devil's in the details for the basement, typically. And I did not find a light switch, so let's fix that. All right, got the flash on. Pipes appear to be wrapped. Actually, a decent amount of headroom down here. I'm surprised. Newer boiler, gas fed. I'll get you the details on that. A lot of new plumbing I see here, which is great. Got security system, I love it. We have a 200 amp panel. All right, you got a lot going on here. And honestly, a lot of new wiring. And then this is new PVC all the way around. Whew. All right, so here's your water heater. Bradford white, electric. Let me make sure I don't miss anything. All right, this is for your AC. Get you some information on that. That's a Carrier. All right. Well, we still have melting snow in this basement. I mean, you can see it. I mean, I'll share with you more details. But for a house of this age, this is a pretty solid basement. And again, just to be safe, obviously all these comments are my own personal comments. We should always do our own due diligence. But this is one heck of a house. Side exit there. I'll bring you back up. I'll tell you what, that is the whole house. I am going to leave you in the kitchen on an angle I never went. So I'm gonna go this way. I'll leave you right there.